I got heat stamp, don't worry. Hey everyone, welcome back to episode 2 of Coates Expert Cup. We're in the skid steer, first one to empty out the balls wins, so yeah, let's see how we go. Balls. Yee-hoo!
G'day guys, welcome back to challenge 2 of the Coates Expert Cup. Mozzie won the first one, so this is round 2. Ryan needs to catch up, otherwise it's game over. Question 1, which of the following materials is the strongest? Steel, aluminium or brick? Ryan.
Steel.
Correct. Right guys, question 2. How many metres of fencing do Coates supply for the Gold Coast Supercars track build? 18.9 kilometres, 6.6 kilometres or 10.4 kilometres? Mozzie.
10.4 kilometres.
Correct.
Oh, what? He always has to ruin it. I got heat stamp, don't worry.
Alright, question 3. What is the most common piece of equipment that is hired through Coates? Portaloo, scissor lift or knuckle boom? Ryan.
Scissor lift.
Correct.
Ah, it's Portaloo. No, it's not.
Righto guys, question 4. What industry does Coates Industrial Solutions support? Mining and construction, oil, gas and utilities, all of the above? Mozzie.
All the above.
Correct. Alright guys, down to the last question, the decider. What is the working load limit of the new Quadshaw 150 Proc? 150 tonne, 172 tonne or 158 tonne? Ryan.
172.
Correct. And the winner is Ryan.
I've had enough. It's 1-1 in the Coates Expert Cup. Next challenge, we're in the cherry picker, so let's see who can get the dub.
Yeah, the ball pit was a lot of fun. The skid steer is a beautiful bit of equipment. We had a lot of fun. Air-conditioned cab. Geez, I'll tell you what, if we're not going to make it as race car drivers, we could be construction workers.
Luxury.